Hey guys, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. We're having a little salmon today for lunch, so I thought I'd share that with you. We're going to be getting the salmon all seasoned up, throw it in the toaster oven. You can also throw it on the grill if you like, or whatever, but we're going to be air frying it today. I just love salmon, and we're going to add a little bit of twist to it today, give it a little oomph and flavor, and it's going to be some good eating, and it's so easy to do. So let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, here they are. A couple pieces of salmon, a little bit of lemon on top, some butter. We put down a little olive oil on the foil so the salmon wouldn't stick. And what we have on there, little Old Bay seasoning, and we also add a little maple syrup. This is really going to be good. So we're heating up the toaster oven now. It's about 400, and we're going to be throwing it in the air fryer. Okay, we got set on air fry. Salmon's in there, looking mighty good. Shouldn't take very long. Okay, let's go ahead and take a quick peek. Looking good. Now, sometimes it's kind of hard to tell when salmon's done. You can check for flakiness, or you can use a temperature probe, and at 145 it's done and ready to munch on. Okay, these guys have been in here about 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and check on the temp and see where we're at. About 127 degrees, 126 degrees. Go ahead and check this other one. About 135, 136. So we'll go ahead and let these guys cook a little bit longer, and we'll be taking them out at 145. Okay, those babies reached 145. We got them pulled out here. They were in the air fryer for about 18 minutes. And we're going to be doing a taste test. Look at this. They really look yummy. We're going to be finding out. Really looking good. Okay. Got me a little bite right here. Nice and flaky. Smelling good. We're going in. That's good. A little bit of seasoning we put on there, that lemon, that maple syrup. Pretty darn good. Guys, give it a try. Nice and simple, doesn't take long, and it's some good eating. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next one.